Dogecoin is still the number one meme coin. And today, that's going to be exactly what we're going to be talking about. We're going to be talking about why Doge is still the number one meme coin over everything else. Even though I talk about Baby Doge a lot of other people talk about Sheeb, Pepe, all these other coins. But Dogecoin is still the number one, and we will discuss why. But, anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Let's jump straight into this. So, as you can see right now, Dogecoin is at 25 cents right now, down 5.8% in the last 24 hours, 34% in the last 30 days, but still up 225% in the last year. Now, like I said, we're just gonna jump straight into it. I just kind of want to show you guys what everything else is doing. Bitcoin is up 127% in the last year, whereas Dogecoin is 225% in the last year, right? Sheep only up 77% in the last year. Dogecoin, as you already know, 225%. Now we got Pepe. Everyone knows Pepe had a good year. Pepe's at 977% right in the last year. But one thing about Pepe is it's so new, so we don't know exactly what's gonna come with Pepe, but it still only has a 4 billion market cap compared to Doge's 37.8 billion market cap. So yeah, Pepe can do those nice gains and all, but it's still not going to have as much of market cap as Dogecoin. But Pepe, I definitely think is probably going to overthrow Sheep soon. Sheep right now has 9.3 billion, but if Pepe keeps growing the way it is, it can definitely overthrow Sheep. And at the peak, Pepe had 11 billion inside of market cap December 8th. If you look over at December 8th for Sheep, let's go ahead and look at that for Sheep. December 8th on Sheep's market cap was about 19 billion. So Pepe, it could pass Sheep. Sheep just has to, lag a little bit whenever the market goes up, but Sheep usually does go up alongside the market. But nonetheless, Doge is still on top for those ones. Even looking at it in the last 24 hours compared to Bitcoin, I mean, well, yeah, and compared to Bitcoin, Bitcoin is down a little bit less. But looking at different things like Pepe and Sheeb and all that, a lot of the other coins, are doing slightly better in the last 24 hours. But when you look at it over the full year, Doge is doing literally the best. 34% in the last 30 days. Obviously, Bitcoin's not going to have as much because, Bitcoin is like the top dog. Let's be honest. But Sheeb, the same 34%. Pepe at 52% down in the last 30 days. So a lot of these other coins are going down harder than Doge. As you can see, Trump's meme coin 53% in the last 14 days. Bonk 49% in the last 30 days. Bonk has took a huge drop inside of the market. And I'm noticing with a lot of these other coins, they just have a straight downward path from November till now. It's just straight downwards. And if you look at, let's say we're looking at Pepe, it's the same type of movement, straight downwards. And obviously, Doge went down as well. Everything went down. I can't just act like Doge didn't go down. But even though Doge went down, like it's going to come back as the number one. In Doge, it just didn't go down as hard as the other ones. Just look at it. Like Doge kind of went halfway down. All the other ones, kind of went fully down. You know, but it is what it is. I still think Doge is the top meme coin, no matter how anyone wants to spin it. Dogecoin is still on top. And look at Bonk here, 72% in the last year, down 49% in the last 30 days. Floki is doing pretty good in the last year, 245%. But Floki lost a lot of that momentum. Now it's down 53% in the last 30 days. So Floki is at this important, like I like to call it the inflection point, right? It's pretty much deciding if it's going to break down to this support. And I know a lot of people are going to be upset seeing that at 4Z3, 4 zeros after the decimal place in 3. A lot of people will be upset if Loki did that, but I don't know. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. But Dog with Hat, 266% in the last year, so they're kind of a little bit above Doge inside the last year. But again, Dog with Hat lost a lot of its market cap, like a lot of it. Like it did extremely well. It got up to a 4.5 billion market cap, and even on the last run, it just got up to 4 billion. but it is not recovering. As you see, Dog with Hat dropped below the billion market caps. Now it's at 788 million. Doesn't even have a billion market cap anymore. So you're seeing a lot of these newer meme coins. They lose their value a lot quicker than Doge. Now I'm not doubting that Dog with Hat will pump inside the next rise in the crypto market. It probably will, and they'll probably be back above a billion market cap. But that's not the point. Now, Baby Doge, everyone knows I like Baby Doge, but I'm a trader, so I love trading Baby Doge. I don't really like holding Baby Doge because this chart right here says it all. And when you compare it to something like Dogecoin, like Doge, it holds its value a lot better. That's really what I'm saying when I'm saying Doge is still the number one meme coin. It holds its value a lot better than a lot of these other coins. Now, Baby Doge, only up 33% in the last year. That's because it lost all of its gains. Literally every single last bit of gains Baby Doge has gotten over the last few months. It's lost literally all of that. We pretty much very briefly touched the 1 billion inside of market cap. And we did that recently inside of December, but it was straight down from there. Baby Doge did not hold its value well at all. So it literally just completely fell out, like completely. So that definitely sucks. Down 55% in the last 30 days. Only a 251 million market cap. As you can see here, Dogecoin Mars was one of those coins that was really popular when Dogecoin was like really popular. Like when everyone was talking about Dogecoin, like Dogecoin Mars was next up. It was supposed to be next up. It was supposed to be Doge and then Sheeb, and then you had Dogecoin Mars, Floki, and then you had Baby Doge come out of the woodworks. But it easily switched, right? Everything easily switched to, Sheep stayed number two, but then like we seen Dozel on Mars just completely decimated, just completely got destroyed, literally 125 million market cap, but it used to have a 1.2 billion market cap, so it didn't hold well at all. And a lot of these meme coins, that's the reality with them. They're not holding their value. 1.2 billion for Dozel on Mars, like that's how much it used to have. Now it only has 125 million. And you kind of seen the same thing with Baby Doge. Now Floki did better than all of the meme coins made in that era, right? It was that Dogecoin era where Doge was partnering with like Slim Jim. They were partnering with Axe. They're getting listed to all these major exchanges. Same thing with Shiba Inu. When Shiba Inu and Dogecoin were like the talk of all of the crypto market, like that was the era when we were seeing like the Floki was going crazy. But Floki has actually been able to keep some of its gains here. Floki still has a $916 million market cap, and I think one of the only reasons is because of it's on Ethereum. That's probably the main reason why, because it's a native Ethereum coin. And you can say, yeah, Dogecoin Mars is too, but for some reason, Dogecoin, it just didn't hold like Floki did, right? It just didn't hold. And then again, like Baby Doge didn't hold. Dogecoin definitely did not hold. And then we have this new coin, but it has nothing to do with the actual Doge Department of Government Efficiency. It has nothing to actually do with it. So this coin is almost irrelevant, but people are buying it. Now, there's also another coin that I really expected to do extremely well was Dogechain. I expected Dogechain to be like the next Baby Doge. I expected it to be the next Dogecoin, the next Floki. I expected it to be up there because they were making their own blockchain surrounding Doge, but it did not do that. Doge chain is down 69.4% in the last year. That is bad because after all of the gains in the crypto market that we just now seen inside of November and December and September, October, all that, Doge chain did not see any benefits from any of that whatsoever. They did not go up at all during that whole time, which is definitely saddening to see because they're still really inside the market. Like they're still making updates to the project. They're still holding a bunch of talks, right? They're still holding all of these X spaces where they come and they talk about DogeCoin. They're still doing DogeCoin grants. They're doing a lot of the DogeCoin roundtables. That's what they call it. But they're doing a lot. They're doing lives. They're actually building. They're on their project. But for some reason, DogeCoin just never amounted to what it should have. Like DogeCoin should have been next up. We should see not a $6 million market cap, but a $600 million market cap DogeCoin. Like DogeCoin really should have blew up and it should have done well. But I don't think they had the same amount of market push and promotion to do well. And that's one thing about Dogecoin and why it's still the number one meme coin, because Dogecoin has and it will always have the push of the market, and because it's number one, the original meme of crypto, the first meme coin ever inside of crypto, and now the number one meme coin, it's ranked number 8 in market cap. Not only that, uh, Elon Musk is going to talk about Dogecoin till the day he dies. Right? It's going to be always inside of his X post. He's just going to be talking about it all the time. The whole Department of Government Efficiency thing. So now Dogecoin is tied to the U.S. government. There's just a lot of reasons why Dogecoin is just literally going to be number one. It's going to stay number one. It is the number one meme coin, and is more than likely going to stay as the number one meme coin for so many different reasons. And yeah, Elon Musk is going to keep it alive too. So you already know that's going to happen. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I mean, a lot of people still think that all the other meme coins can touch Dogecoin and could possibly pass it, but I don't think Dogecoin is going to get passed by any other meme coin, because as the market goes up, Dogecoin is going to continue to increase in price. And at $1, which is the goal here with Dogecoin, is going to be 147 billion in market cap. That's a lot of money, but there are companies with more market cap than that, so we know it's possible. Like AMD has, which is a stock. AMD has like what 200 billion market cap or something like that. So I think Dogecoin getting to 147 billion market cap isn't too far fetched, especially when we see like how fast that Trump coin got up to where it got to. And then also when you look at stuff like Ethereum's at 333 billion. Obviously, it's in a whole nother league than Doge, but still, like Doge can literally get up there as well. XRP 139 billion. So I think Dogecoin can do better than XRP, because Dogecoin at one point had more market cap than XRP when XRP was fighting that case. Dogecoin was had a larger market cap than them. We can probably even surpass BNB again. I think at one point in time we were past BNB, but yeah, we can for sure pass BNB and do better than that. So I think Dogecoin is gonna continue to be that number one meme coin. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. But yeah, as for the prices right now here with Dogecoin, I'm definitely looking for us to try to get past this resistance here at 8Z30, or not 8Z, but at 3150. I'm still thinking in baby doge terms. But look, I'm still looking for us to try to get past 3150. And looking at the Stocks RSI down here, it's actually a very, very important indicator, because if this continues to go up from here, right? Because as you can see, it looks like it wants to cross right here, and it kind of already did at this little point right here. So if this RSI continues to go up, that's definitely going to bring us to 3150, right? 31 cents, and that's good and all. But if you see it going sideways a little bit more, kind of like how I did here, typically when the RSI is going sideways, that just means that the volume is kind of slowing down and more selling volume is coming in. So that's kind of why you've seen that drop right there. It went down 2 whole Fibonacci retracements. So there's that possibility that that could happen again if you see the RSI here, the Stocks RSI going sideways. Now, just looking at the way this chart looks here on the daily chart, it looks like we're about to go back down to 21 cents, right? And it's showing here with our chart prime indicators, link in the description for that, by the way. But it's showing here the bulls are going to be coming in around 19 cents. So anywhere below 20 cents pretty much. So like 19 to 17 cents, we should see the bulls coming in. And we're not even looking towards 8 cents right now. Like 8 cents, we're not looking towards that. Is it possible? Yes, it's possible. A lot of bulls will be coming in around that area, so you probably won't see Dogecoin below 5 cents again. That's just how it seems right now. maybe this year you're just not going to see it. I don't see that going below 5 cents. But like I said, the way this chart looks, I've seen charts like this before, and it looks like it's preparing for another drop. So honestly, we could be seeing another drop. That 21 cent level is going to be where our Fibonacci retracement is. And then the bulls should be coming in around. It's probably going to end up breaking 21 cents too, because it pretty much broke it very briefly here, but then it went right above, right back above it. So I think now this time, when it actually gets to that support here at the Fibonacci retracement at 21 cents, I think it's going to end up breaking it. It's going to hit this area first, this 17-cent area. And then if it breaks that, obviously we're going to end up seeing around here, around 14 cents. More bullish people are going to be coming in around that area there. As you can see here, even on the 4-hour chart, you can see the Stoch RSI is starting to curve downwards a little bit more. So it does look like it's almost like it's confirmed that it's going down to 21 cents and possibly down to 17 cents. I said almost like it is, not like it is, but almost, right? And then again, looking at the daily chart, like I said, the Stoch RSI is looking like it's going to go up a little bit. But what if it doesn't? What if it just keeps going sideways like how it did before back here? Because if it does, that means that the price is going to continue to go down more as well. So then when we look back at the 4-hour chart, it kind of gives you some insight, and it's like, okay, that's why this shows that it's going straight down like this, because we're probably not going to end up rising on the RSI for the daily chart. The 4-hour chart is showing us that we are, in fact, still inside of a downtrend for our prices here with Dogecoin. So I think we are going to end up seeing that 17-cent level coming very soon. First, we got to get 21 cents. If we break that 21-cent support, then 17 cents is coming next, and then 14 cents. So that's what we got to pay attention to. But anyways, Dogecoin still the number one meme coin. Let me know what you guys think about this. If you guys want me to start doing daily Dogecoin technical analysis like I used to, because remember, I used to do a Dogecoin technical analysis every day, Shiba Inu technical analysis, and I used to do a baby doge technical analysis. I used to make sure I got all three of those videos done every single day to make sure you guys were updated on the price action for all three of these meme coins every single day. Let me know if you want me to get back into doing all three of those every day, from Dogecoin, Shiba Inu to baby doge. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to see daily technical analysis videos for those. And some days the technical analysis doesn't really update. Like baby doge, I'm probably not gonna make a technical analysis video on that today, because the prices just aren't looking like they should right now. Like, it's still looking like how I did yesterday, so I really don't see a point in doing that. But yeah, if you guys want me to make those daily videos for Doge, Sheep, and Baby Doge, let me know. But anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. None of this is financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want me to go over next. And yeah, as always, I'll be back with another video.